Push start, yeah, you don't have no keys. Getting money, getting cheddar or blue cheese. I'm on the way to the top. Central ball right on the block.
Hey BF dolls, I'm finally back with a tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get this gorgeous look. So I'm starting off with the Maybelline Studio Brow Gel. I really like this. It gives a really natural finish, and this is in the shade medium brown. So I'm just going to fill in her brows. I didn't use any concealer because she already has some naturally groomed brows.
Yeah, they've got it. They've got it. They've got it. They've got it.
So today, all of the eyeshadows I'll be using will come from this palette, which is the Luxe Glam's Cosmetic Autumn Crush palette. I'm going to take the shade Merlot and pat it in so I can get the color payoff that I want, and then I'm going to blend it in to have a seamless, flawless eyeshadow look. Now I'm taking this mustard yellow from the palette, which is called Squash, and I'm just going to apply it to the center of the lid.
Yeah, they've got it. They've got it. They've got it.
This final shade that I'll be using is the shade Moss, which is like an emerald green, and it's really pretty. It's a shimmer, and this is like the only shimmer that I use for this look, and it made it really pop. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth in the shade 228, and I'm just going to apply it all over her face. For concealer today, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr concealer in the shade 300, and I'm going to conceal under her eyes with this and also highlight her face.
Yeah, they've got it. They've got it. They've got it.
To bronze her face today, I also used the Autumn Crush palette. I just used the two brown shades that were in the palette, and I mixed them together and bronzed her face up. Now that we're done highlighting and contouring, it's time to set all that goodness. So I'm taking my RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm applying it up under her eyes to set the concealer and highlight.
They've got it. They've got it. They've got it.
lash line. I'm just taking the colors that I use on her lids to apply up under. So I'm going to start in the center with Squash, which was that mustard yellow, and then I'm going to start on the outer corner with that berry color that I put in the crease, and then I'm going to go in the inner corner and add the green, which is called Moss. So today I'm trying something very new and exciting. I've always wanted to use rhinestones. Rhinestones is a trend, but it's a dope trend. So I bought like a lot of rhinestones, and today I'm applying them. I use my NYX glitter glue, and I also use my Duo lash glue. And now I'm just contouring her nose with the same powders from that palette that I used to bronze. And I'm going to set her face with my Mario Badescu, apply the highlighter, which is the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia, and the look is complete. Y'all thought we were done? Nah. So this is the last step for the look. I'm just contouring her lips. I took a brown shade and I'm just shaping and lining up her lips to give her a really defined lip before I apply the lip gloss, which is my Butter Gloss in Angel. I think it's NYX Butter Gloss in Angel, and my Kylie lip gloss. All the details will be in the description bar per usual. But I hope you guys enjoyed this bomb fall look, and yeah, thank you BF Dolls for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and slay.